がわがままシンデレラ。
Hi guys watching YouTube, it's Kamo here. Today I'd like to do request Japanese lecture. I got a question about Japanese words and that is, what is the difference between yasumu and rusu? Rusu means absence. Absence in Japanese, fuzai too. Yasumu, if you wanna say be absent from school or taking off from school, 学校を休む. There's a relationship between these three words, and you can learn it easy by short story. Let's check it with me. Let's start it. Now imagine you live in a city. You go to school every day, but one day you caught a cold. So you take off from your school. Now you 学校を休む. And at school, you are absent, so 不在 at school. But next day, you got to be better, so you go to school. And now, nobody in your house, so you are absent from your house. Now, you can say, 家を留守にする. 家を留守にする. Absence from school is not rusu, but absence from your house, it is rusu. Precise difference is resident or not. You are resident of your house, so when you absent from your house, you can say rusu. But you are not resident of your school, so 不在. If you want to say that you are absent from your house tomorrow in Japanese, 明日は家を留守にします. 明日は家を留守にします. And if you want to say that you are absent from your school or office, 明日は学校を休みます or 明日は会社を休みます. 明日は学校を休みます or 明日は会社を休みます. And if you want to tell to the others that your friend or colleague at school or office is absent, 彼女は不在です or 彼は不在です. 彼女は不在です or 彼は不在です. This rule is not necessary. You can say 留守 when they absent from office, or you can say 不在 for that you are absent from your house too. But basically, remember this rule. 留守 resident absence from the house. 不在 absence from school or office anywhere you not resident. 休む taking off from school or workplace. And yasumu has a meaning of rest too. How was the lesson? I upload videos about Japanese lesson every day. I'm always trying to tell you way of learning Japanese in some ways. Thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel and like the video. And don't forget, push the bell mark for notification. If you have anything you want to tell me, feeling, opinion to me, request, please leave a comment for this video. I promise I check them all. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next.